It's August 15th, 2023. Welcome to Today in African History. On this day in 1960, the Republic of the Congo, also known as Congo-Brazzaville, took a historic step. It declared its independence from French colonial rule. But before we dive into the details, please take a moment to support us. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue sharing these important stories. So let's get started. But before independence, Congo-Brazzaville was part of French Equatorial Africa, a federation of territories controlled by France. The late 1940s and 50s saw a surge in political activity as leaders across Africa demanded autonomy and equality. Inspired by neighboring Cameroon's drive for independence and other African liberation movements, Congolese politicians began to press for self-governance. They organized rallies, strikes, and negotiations with the French administration, calling for a greater say in their own affairs. Then came a pivotal moment. On August 15, 1960, the long struggle came to an end. The French tricolor was lowered, and the green, yellow, and red flag of the newly independent Republic of the Congo was raised for the first time. What a moment that must have been, filled with hope, excitement, and a shared dream for the future. But let's not forget about Fulbert Youlou, a key figure in the fight for independence. He was more than just a leader, he was a symbol of change. A former Roman Catholic priest, Youlou had dedicated his life to serving his people and advocating for their rights. Now, as the first president of the Congo, he embodied the aspirations of an entire nation. Imagine the weight of those hopes and dreams placed on one man's shoulders. The path ahead wouldn't be easy. Congo faced immense challenges. Its infrastructure was limited, its economy was fragile, and it had to forge a new identity on the world stage. Yet despite these challenges, the spirit of August 15th endured. Over the years, the Congo has come a long way. It's made significant strides in various sectors, from healthcare to education to infrastructure. The legacy of August 15th lives on in the hearts and minds of the Congolese people. Every year, the nation comes together to celebrate Independence Day. The streets of Brazzaville, the capital, come alive with parades, cultural dances, and marches by military veterans. It's a time for the nation to showcase its progress, to pay homage to its past, and to reaffirm its commitment to the ideals of freedom and unity. But beyond the celebrations, there's a deeper meaning to this day. It's a reminder of the struggles and sacrifices of those who fought for independence and a tribute to the ongoing efforts to build a stronger, more prosperous nation. As we conclude our journey through today's African history, let's take a moment to reflect on the enduring human spirit. The Congo's journey from colonial rule to independence is a testament to the universal desire for freedom and self-determination. And as we look to the future, let's be inspired by the progress that has been made and the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show your support. We'd love to have you back for more. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and let's continue exploring the fascinating world around us together. And remember, every like and comment helps us grow and reach more history lovers like you. So if you found this video interesting, don't hesitate to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your engagement means everything to us and helps us continue sharing these enriching experiences. Thank you for being a part of our community. Let's keep exploring together.